Hey, if you want to take macro photos on your Poco C75, so first of all, as you know, there's like no any macro mode or macro lens in this phone. And in my opinion, the best way to capture this kind of the photos, it will be basically get the good lighting condition. Let's try to do this, for example, with this good RAM USB drive. And once you actually have good lighting condition, you will have to use the zoom feature. So try to zoom in as close as you can. And as you can see, in my case right now, there's like no focus right here. So I have to put this phone a little bit higher to catch focus. And now I will actually stay with the 5x. In my opinion, you will get the best quality with this zoom. For sure, you can try to go into the 10x, but as you can see, it's also losing this, focus. So as I said before, try to reach like, 5x and hold your phone steady, click on this screen to catch focus. And now just take the photo. And you can just take a look. That's how it actually looks. It's not actually good quality, but additionally you can try to use the 50 megapixel mode with a flashlight. So now try to simply hold your phone steady, try to catch focus. There we go. And now it wasn't actually taken, so let's repeat. There we go. Click on the shutter. Now when the photo was taken, you can just grab it and you can crop this 50 megapixel photo. But as you can see, we didn't actually catch focus, so we should actually try again. So in my case, the flashlight actually not working properly. I'm gonna actually get rid of it and try to take normal photo without it. There we go. Now still for some reason it's out of the focus, so we will have to actually put the camera a little bit higher, but I'm not sure if this is not some kind of the issue with my 50 megapixel lens, because it's not catching focus on the object that I want to. It looks like this. So I believe that this one actually looks better. So yeah, I can recommend you definitely to use 5x zoom.